How's everybody doing today? Keto family. Matt Troyce here, and today I'm going to show you how to make keto chocolate brownies from scratch with only 2 grams of net carbs per brownie. And I'm going to show you how to make these. But first, don't forget to hit that subscribe button followed by the bell so you'll be notified every time I release a new video. And also, please feel free to share this out with anybody you feel would benefit from watching this video. Friends, family, co-workers, Facebook groups, anybody you want. You have my permission. Sharing is caring, guys, and we're all in this together. Alright, so keto chocolate brownies. I'm going to show you how to make these right now. Alright, keto chocolate brownies. Now for a taste test. Take a look at that brownie. Man, that is really good. Tastes just like a brownie without all the processed carbs and sugar. I bet anybody who would try this wouldn't guess that this was keto. This would go great with some unsweetened almond milk, decaf, or coffee. Incredible. Nice dessert. Delicious. All right, ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for joining me. I hope you all be safe and be well. And don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Enjoy the rest of your day. Matt Troyce signing out.